Hello, my name is Ben Smith, and some of you probably knows I'm passionate about technology, so I decided I would make this presentation about technology. So to start off, I would like to talk about how much we use technology. We use it in many ways, more than we realize sometimes. We use it in our cars and many other items. Alright, now I would like to talk about the differences in phones and computers. A phone is basically a smaller, less powerful computer. It works off a small chip, which is the CPU. This is what a CPU looks like. But it is also a small SSD. An SSD will be explained in a second. Now, what do you think would happen if computers disappeared? More than you think would happen. The power would shut off because power plants work off computers. That would definitely shut off. Also, if you have a car built in the last 30 years, it would not work because they're filled with computers. Even if you have an older car, you would not be able to get gas. You know streaming services like Netflix, Hulu? Well, how do they work? Yes, there are other services such as Netflix, but that's a typo. I'm going to focus on YouTube. When you upload a video to YouTube, it hits your modem and then it goes to a Google data center. Here's what a Google data center is. It's a giant room with a ton of servers that can hold billions and billions of terabytes of video. And it is then unpacked, and then people are able to view the video as you pull it up on your phone. Next, I would like to talk about the history of a computer. Originally, computers were not used for the things we think of them for today. They were being used for a calculator. We've come a long way now. Now it's in the palm of your hand, your phone. Once some got faster, there was one called the ENIAC computer. It was huge. It weighed 30 tons. This is a picture of the ENIAC computer. It needed more than 30 people to operate, and it weighed more than 30 tons. It was huge. Remember when I mentioned SSD? Well, here's the difference. There are two different types of hard drives. There's an SSD, which has no moving parts. Then you have a regular one, which has moving parts. When you delete a file, it is still on the hard drive, but when you put a new file on your computer, it takes the place of the file you deleted. This is the difference in an HHD. An HHD is a spinning disk. An SSD is a flat, non-spinning, moving part disk. Thanks. That is my presentation on technology. I'm Ben Smith.